Hi students, this is Tirumala Max YouTube channel. இந்த வீடியோல இப்போ நம்ம 10th Max creative questions QR code questions இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். That is day 1 of part 2. So before that I would like to tell you that we have already uploaded social science full complete data are there for the public examination, like all one word public examination questions, 2 marks, 5 marks, map, timeline, distribution, whatever it is, everything is available in my description link. You can go through that one and get benefit of that. And as well as for science also the same thing, it is there, 1 mark and other related examination related data are there for your examination. Use this description link and get a benefit of that. Let us go to the video. முயற்சி plus பயிற்சி which is equal to வெற்றி. So I always say that முயற்சியும் பயிற்சி இருந்தால் you will be able to get a வெற்றி, my dear children. இந்த தேர்வு என் வாழ்க்கையின் சிறந்த தேர்வாக இருக்கும் என்று எண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு தேர்வும் எழுத make a habit to think that every exam will be the best of your life. Your journey towards your dream has just begun. Let us go to the sum. First chapterல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா relations and functions. If R tends to R defined by f of x is equal to x square plus 2 அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஸோ அதோட ஆன்சர் என்னன்னா, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 5, 5 is the correct answer. Next one, if f is equal to f of x comma 1 x minus 1 by x is equal to x square plus 1 by x square, then f of x is equal to x square plus 2 is the correct answer, my dear children. So if f a is equal to a comma b comma c, b equal to 2 comma 3, and c is equal to a comma b, c, b comma c comma d, so then the answer is 6 is the correct answer. That is third option. Then goes to, if the parallel pairs a minus 1 and b 5 comma b, then the values of a and b are, this is the one, minus 2 comma 13 is the correct answer. The function f n tends to n is defined by f of x is equal to 2x. Then the function f is 1:1 but not on 2. Next one, f of x is equal to x plus 1, then f of y plus 2 is sixth one, that is y plus 5 is the correct answer. Seventh one, if f of x is equal to mx plus n, then where m and n are integers, the answer is first one, minus 1 comma 5. Then the eighth one, the functions the t which maps the temperature in degree Celsius into temperature and degree Fahrenheit is defined by so and so 9c by 5 plus 32. Plus 32, that means the Fahrenheit degree is 95, then the value of c will be, the eighth one is, the value is 35. If f of x is equal to ax minus 2, g of x is equal to 2x minus 1, and f of g equal to g of f is good, then the value of a, and the value of a is 3. Next one, f of x is equal to 1 by x and g of x is equal to 1 by x cube, then f of g of y is equal to, so that one will be, it's D answer. If f of x equal to 2 minus 3x, then f of 1 minus x, which is equal to, so 5 minus 9x. Then f of x plus 1, f of 1 minus x is equal to 2, then f of 1 by 2 is equal to A option, that is answer is 1. Then if f is a constant function, then value of 1 by 10, then the value of f of 1, f of 2 and f of 100 is, its answer is B. Then goes to the next one, f of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2 and g of x is equal to 1 plus 2x x minus 1, which is equal to, that is a identity, that is an identity function. It's an identity function. Then goes to next one, numbers and sequences. Numbers and sequences la pathina, first question la, what is the HCF of the least prime number and least composite numbers? And the options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So then the answer is least prime number is 2. The next one is if A and B are positive, then greater than B, B is a factor of A, then the HCF of A comma B is the second one is, this is the answer. That is, answer is B. Third one, M and N are co-prime numbers, then M square and N square are co-prime. If 3 is the least prime factor of number A and 7 is the least prime factor of B, then the least prime factor of A plus B is 2. And the remainder, when the difference between 60002 and 601 is divided by 6, then the answer is 1. Next one, 44 is mod 12. The 113.5 mod 12. Then 44 into 113. The answer is A. Given A1 is equal to minus 1 and an minus 1, an plus 2, and A4 is equal to minus 1 by 20. Then the first term of an AP whose 8th and 12th term are and respectively yes. Then that means your answer is 4. In the arithmetic series, Sn is equal to k plus 2k plus 3k plus 100. Then k is a positive integer and k is a factor of 100. Then Sn is equal to, then 10th. How many terms are there in the GP? 5, 20, 80, 320 up to 20480. That means it's 7. Then next one. If Pth, Qth and Rth terms of AP are ABC respectively, then the first one is, answer is 0. Sum of infinite terms of GP is 12 and the first term is 8. What is the fourth term of GP? So the answer is 8 by 27. A square is drawn by joining the midpoints of the sides of a given square in the same way, and this process continues indefinitely. If the side of the first square is 4 cm, then the sum of the areas of all squares is 32 cm square. Next one. A boy serves 1 on the first day, second on the second day, fourth on the third day, and so on. How much did the boy serve? 20 days. That is a 20 220 minus 1. The sum of first n terms of series A, 3A, 5A is the answer is n square A. If P, Q, R, X, Y, Z are in AP, then 5P plus 3, 5Q plus 3, 5R plus 3, 5X plus 3, and 5Y plus 3. So then the answer is AP. Then if an AP, the Pth term is Q and Qth term is P, then its nth term is, the nth term will be P plus Q minus n. Sum of first n terms of the series, root 2 plus root 8 plus root 18 is n into n plus 1 by algebra. Which of the following are linear in 3 variables? First one is 2x is equal to z and 2 sin x plus x, y is the cos y, and z plus tan z is equal to 2. நம்மளுக்கு ஆப்ஷனில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கான ஆன்சர் ஃபோர்த் ஒன் மட்டும்தான், x minus y minus z equal to 7. Graphically, on infinite number of solutions represents 3 planes intersecting in a line coinciding with another. So the following is correct. That is, LCM of two polynomials of degree 2 may be constant. And then that means this is the answer. 3 and 5. 3 and 4. That is third option and second option same correct. This correct. Next one, the HCF of two polynomials P of x and Q of x. Second one 6x power 3 minus 24x. Fifth one, the third one, the HCF of x minus y and x cube x8 plus 4 power 8. The next one, This is the first one now and fourth one. That means this is the option. What set of values அப்படின்னு சொன்னா the minus 3 comma minus 5. Next one, x square plus 7x plus 12 by x square plus 8x plus 15, x square plus 5x by x square plus 6x plus 8. That means x plus x by x plus 2. The eighth one is p by a equal to a and p square plus q square by p square minus q square, which is a square plus 1 by a square minus 1. The square root of 4m square minus 24m plus 36 is equal to 0. So that means your answer is 2 of m minus 3. The real roots of quadratic equation x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So which means 1 plus root 5 comma 1 minus root 5 by 2. Then the product of sum and the product of roots of equation are x square minus ab, x square plus ab plus b square by a minus b. 12th one. The quadratic polynomial whose one sum is 0 and another one is also 1 and another one is 0. That means x square minus 25. Axis in the term of vertical line separates parabola into two equal halves. Is y is equal to 3 minus 3x square is open downward. Then goes to next one, geometry. That is geometry. The first question is, if a triangle PQR is similar to a triangle LMN such that 4PQ is equal to LM, and then answer is 24 centimeter. Then if in the given figure DE is parallel to AC, that means the first answer is x is equal to AY by B minus A. Then the third one is C option, S3 ST. In the figure DE is parallel to BC if BD is equal to x minus 3. That means your answer is 9. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal. So that means your option is cube of the ratio of the corresponding angles. ABC is a triangle. So which means the answer is 16 by 3 centimeter. In a triangle, the internal bisector of an angle, that means all are equilateral. Height of an equilateral triangle is 3 by 2a. The perimeter of a right triangle is 40 centimeter and the hypotenuse is 15. Then the area of a triangle is, that means the one is 100 centimeter square. A line which intersects circle at two distant points is called, that means CENTUM. In two radii of a circle is 30 degree, then the angle between the tangents at the end of the radii is 50 degrees Celsius. The next one. In figure, angle OAB is 60 degree and OA is 6 means your answer is 3 root 3 centimeter. 13. In a given figure, OC is equal to 9 centimeter and OB is equal to 15, then OB plus BD is 27. Two concentric circle of radii and of B where A greater than B are equal. Then what is your answer? That means 2 of root A square minus B square. 15. And three circles are drawn with vertices of a triangle as centers such that each circle touches the other two. That means your answer is A. Next one. Find the ratio of the line segment joining the points. That is minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 and is internally divided by minus 1 comma 6. Then what is your answer? So my answer will be 7 is to 2, 6 3 is to 4, and then my answer is 2 is to 7. With the point 0 comma 0, a comma 0 and 0 comma b is the C option. AB is equal to 0. if the midpoint of the line segment joining, and so the value will be comma minus 1. The area of a triangle formed by the points, that means is 0. Vertices of a quadrilateral are 1 comma 2 minus 5 comma 6 7 comma minus 4 and k comma minus 2, which means the value will be 3. Then the sixth one is x is equal to 5. Find the slope of the line 2y is equal to x plus 8. So which means you will get 1 by 2. Find the value of p given that the value line y by 2 is equal to x minus p, which means minus 6. Find the slope and y-intercept of the line dy minus root 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means your answer is 1 by root 3 minus 1 by 3. The next one is find the value of b if the lines above 7y equal to ax plus 4, which means your answer will be D. Next one, a line passes through the point, so which means the answer is x square minus ax plus 2 alpha equal to 0. Find the equation of the line passes through the point 0 comma 4 and is parallel to the line 3x plus 5y plus 15. So which means your answer is 2x plus 5y minus 20. A right angle triangle ABC right angled at B. If the sides BC is parallel to x axis, then the slope of AB is. Then the slope of AB will be, your answer, not defined. 14. The y-intercept of line 3x minus 4y plus 8 is the lines y equal to 5x minus 3, y equal to 2x plus 9 intersects at A. The coordinates of A are 17. The next one, commentary. From the figure, the whole value of cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to, what is the value? The value is b plus c by a. Secant a plus tan a, 1 minus sin a is equal to cos a. And then if x is equal to r sin theta cos pi, y equal to r sin theta sin pi, and z is equal to r cos theta, then x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square by 2. If cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, then sin square theta plus cosecant sin power 4 theta is equal to, value is 1. Then fifth one, if tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 3, then tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 7. Then if m cos theta plus n sin theta is equal to a, and m sin theta minus sin cos theta equal to b, then a square plus b square is equal to, which means your answer is B. Tan theta by secant theta minus 1 plus tan theta by secant theta plus 1 is equal to 2 cosecant theta. The value of 3 by cot square theta minus 3 by cos square theta is equal to, which means we'll go for the D1. Ninth, if sin alpha plus beta equal to 1, then cos alpha minus beta is sin 2 beta. X is equal to a secant theta, y equal to b sin tan theta, and b square is x square minus a square minus y square is equal to, the answer is D option, that is a square b square. A square b square is the correct answer. The 11th one, the angle of an elevation. So that answer is 250 root 3. Next one, angle of depression, if it comes, then the angle is 150. Then the ladder of length of 14 meter means 7 root 3 meter. The top of two poles of height 18.5, that means this is 23, and 15th 14.14 meter. Then the curved surface, next 7th chapter, the curved surface area of right circular cone, value is, it's D, 136, and if S1 is denoted as, that means it is S1 less than S2. The ratio of volume of two spheres is 8 is to 27. That means your answer is 1 is to 2. Then the fourth one is 9 types of the original. So fifth one is C. Then next one, a solid frustum is at height 8 centimeter. So then your answer will be C option. Then seventh one will be 1 is to root 3. Metal of a cone, which means what is your answer? 15 centimeter. And then ninth one is it's 7 is to 3. When Karna divided the surface area of a sphere, he got the answer 1 by 3. What is the radius of the sphere? Means it's 6. And spherical street ball, which means the answer is 1 by 2. Next one, a semicircular thin sheet. So your answer is 7 by 3 root 3. Then 14th is 67%. Then this one is this is wrong. 10702 is the correct answer. This is wrong. And this is also wrong. Your answer is 75%. Then goes to the 14th one is 120. And 15th one is 60 kg. One, statistics and probability. The range of first prime numbers, which means when they ask for range, so what will be your answer? So you have to add those numbers from there to here. That means your answer will be 27. And the second one is 75. Observation 1, 2, 3, 5. So that means your answer is 1. Then goes to the fourth one. So it's C. That is third one. If the data is multiplied by 4, then the corresponding variance is get multiplied by. It's 16. If the coefficient of variation and standard deviation of a data 35% and 7.47 respectively, then the mean is 22. Then 7 is CV of A less than CV of B. And 8th point is value is 1. Surely, that is surely means the probability is 1. A letter is selected to random probability. The probability that is not a vowel less. It is 7 by 11. In a competition containing two events A and B, the probability of winning, that means your answer is 5 by 12. Then a number X is chosen at random from so and so, then the probability is that the value is 7 by 9. Then if the probability of not happening அப்படின்றது வந்ததுன்னா அதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து 1 minus Q. Then 13th one, in an 1000 lottery tickets, that means 1 by 20. So the other one is 1 by 4. A box contains some milk chocolates, that means what's your answer? The answer is 20. With this, I hope in the video உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். Please subscribe to Tirumala Maths YouTube channel and forward your friends also to this channel. I wish you all success in your examination. Stay tuned to more updates, and all details will be shared in the description link. You can go to that and get benefit out. Thank you so much.